how to download Leong online banking app on your mobile device. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, make sure that you have strong internet connection on your device. Then open up the Google Play Store. Now tap on the search bar at the top of this interface and type in Leong Bank. Then you will land on this interface. Here you will get HLB Connect mobile banking app. Tap on that and then tap on install button. Depending upon your internet connection, it might take some time. After the installation is complete, you can locate Leong Bank application icon on your device home screen or app drawer and tap on it to launch the app. If you are an existing Leong Bank customer, you will need to log in using your online banking credentials such as your username and password, or if you are a new user, you may need to register for online banking with the app. Follow some screen instruction to set up your account and log into your account. And that's all. And this is how you can download and install Leong online banking application on your mobile device. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.